All right, here is today's workout. We're gonna do 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and we're gonna aim for 3 to 5 sets. So in this video, I'll go through the exercises with you and then go through a full round with you. All right, our first move is a jumping lunge. As you can see, I'm hopping in between. This is gonna help with my balance. My weight's in my heel and my front foot, and I'm not banging my back knee on the ground. This is the version with no tap in between. This is gonna be a little bit more challenging. And then if you don't wanna jump, this is how you will do the move. Faster than that, but. And then we have a high plank around the world. We did these last week. You're gonna get into your high plank and you're gonna take your leg, you're gonna alternate legs. Next we have a jumping crossover with a standing oblique crunch. So you're gonna cross over once in the front, once in the back, and then do a crunch on either side, and that counts as 1 rep. And here are some scissor kicks. As you can see, my hands are out to my sides to support myself. The lower your kicks are, the harder it's gonna be. The higher up they are, the more easy it's gonna be. You can also put your arms underneath you to make it a little more challenging. So here we are. And then here are some seal jacks, kind of like a jumping jack, but you're pretending to be a seal. And here for the side plank, you can see that my arm is stacked with my shoulder. And then we're gonna do some dips. Make sure you're tightening your core, using your core to really bring you up and down. I have my feet stacked, but I will show you later on a version with my foot behind my other feet. I only have 2 feet, for some more stability. During the actual exercise, you're gonna do 20 seconds on either side. I will tell you when to switch sides. Here's the more stable version. And then you can also do it on your forearm if it hurts your wrists. It's a great version.